Hi guys, I came across these at the supermarket, and these are Cheemo unconventional pierogies, pizza flavored, vegetarian. So I thought, hey, let me give these a whirl. So in a pot, I've got olive oil and a whole bunch of mushrooms because I think they would go well with a pizza flavored pierogi. And I bought a lot of mushrooms, so I don't want to throw them out. I'm going to add in some basil. It doesn't look like it's coming out. I think I have to open a new one. And garlic, of course. Garlic powder. And I'm just going to cook that down with the lid on. So I've just put the pierogies on top. There are 33 carbs for 3 pierogies. And so I'm not going to eat as many as I normally would. I've cut back on my portions. It'll probably be over the carb limit for the day, but it's not too bad. I just hope they taste good. Anyway, so I'm just going to let these cook on one side, and then I'm going to put the lid on it, and then I will flip them over. I felt like there was something missing, and then I realized I didn't put any red onions in there, so I have put in some red onions as well. So I've flipped them over. I'm going to let them cook some more, and I might do the flippity flip a few more times before it's done. Well, I've turned off the heat, and I'm just going to recover it and let it cool down. It smells amazing. I am so hungry. I can't wait to try these. I really hope the pierogies are good. And I know mushrooms are not everybody's cup of tea, but I love them. Okay, I cut one open so you can see what it looks like inside. And now let me give it a taste test. They taste really good. I don't know that I exactly get a pizza flavor, but they're different. And it could be because I overwhelmed it with so many mushrooms, but they are very delicious. So thanks so much for watching. Bon appetit. Have a great day or night. Thanks again.